Draw a diagram that shows how to divide 9 pieces of licorice into packages that hold 5 pieces each. Then find 9 divided by 5. So what we're given is the 9 pieces of licorice, and specifically we're being asked to draw a diagram. So when we have those 9 pieces, to divide them into packages that hold 5 pieces each. And then we're finding 9 divided by 5. So I went ahead and I drew the 9 pieces of licorice, and I want to group them, and they're saying specifically 5 pieces in one package. So let's see if we could do that. So I have 9, so if I count, let's see, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could be one package because they're saying 5 pieces each. But I can make another package because I have 4 left over. So right now, based on the grouping, I can record that 9 divided by 5. I got 1 whole, and then 4 as a remainder. So actually I'm going to write the letter R first. So remainder, and then the number 4. So 1R4 means 1 left, 1 as a whole group, and remainder of 4 because we can put them. Now another way we can write that is another way to divide, right? So let's see, let me delete that. So I could also say divide into 5 groups, not into 5 pieces. So if I give them into, let me separate them a little bit. So maybe on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 groups. Now each group has 1 whole. So that still represents 9 divided by 5 equals 1 whole, and still remainder of 4. So I could write R4 again as a remainder. But now if I want to be more precise, so there's the 1 each whole, right? Okay, so now if I want to continue dividing, what I could do right now is divide each of these into fifths. So I can have smaller pieces. So let's see, 2, 3. So when I do that, then how many can I have if I have fifths? There's 4 of them into fifths. So how many is that? If you're not sure what I'm saying, go ahead and count. So this is 1/5. And how many of them do we have? So altogether we have 20. So I could divide 20 pieces equally into each. And I'm going to give 4, these 4 to this one. So I'm giving 4/5 here. Let me change the 4/5 into the first yellow one. Let's see. I can give another 4/5 to the second one. So equal amount division, another 4/5, and another 4/5. And then right here I have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/5. So I can write again, going back to here, 1 whole and then 4/5 as a fraction. Earlier was 1 whole, remainder 4, and it became that as well. So this concludes this problem.